Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Blues soap is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning solutions available on the market today, offering a powerful yet gentle approach to tackling everyday messes and stubborn stains alike. Its unique formulation is designed to cut through grease and grime with impressive efficiency, leaving surfaces sparkling clean and fresh without harsh chemical residues, making it an ideal choice for households seeking a safer and more pleasant cleaning experience. Whether you're dealing with kitchen spills, bathroom grime, or general household dirt, this soap provides a reliable and satisfying clean. Number 5. Dove Beauty Bar Gentle Skin Cleanser. Discover the classic Dove Beauty Bar, your go-to for gentle cleansing. It's designed to leave your skin feeling soft and cared for. What makes it special? Each bar is made with 1,4 moisturizing cream. This helps to maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, this cleanser is formulated for you. It provides a gentle yet effective clean. Incorporate it into your daily routine for skin that feels healthier and looks radiant. It's the perfect start or end to your day. Experience the original Dove formula that millions have trusted for years. It's a simple way to achieve beautifully soft skin. Get more of what you love with this convenient 14-bar pack. You'll have plenty of this gentle cleanser on hand. What we like? This classic bar is renowned for its moisturizing properties, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft. If you have dry or sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle daily cleanser, this is an excellent choice. Its familiar scent and gentle formula make it a reliable option for everyday use. What people say. The soap has a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering. It lathers up nicely and rinses clean without leaving any residue. The packaging is eco-friendly and looks good on the counter. Number 4. Soapbox Liquid Hand Soap, Sea Minerals and Aloe. Experience a gentle and moisturizing hand wash that leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's perfect for everyday use in your kitchen or bathroom. This formula is enriched with the soothing properties of sea minerals and aloe vera. It cleanses your hands effectively while providing a refreshing feel. Feel good about your choice with our vegan and cruelty-free hand soap. We believe in kindness to animals and the planet. Enjoy a delightful scent with every wash. It adds a touch of freshness to your daily routine. This convenient pack of 3 12-ounce pump bottles ensures you always have this essential hand soap on hand. Stock up and keep your hands clean and moisturized. What we like? This liquid soap offers a gentle and moisturizing cleanse, perfect for frequent hand washing. It's a great option if you prioritize vegan and cruelty-free products. For those who want a reliable hand soap for their kitchen or bathroom that is kind to the skin and the planet, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The soap has a great scent and lathers well. It leaves my skin feeling soft and moisturized. The packaging is also very attractive and makes it a nice gift. Number 3. H2 Ocean Blue Green Foam Soap Travel Size. Introducing our travel size foam soap, designed for gentle yet effective cleansing of your new tattoo. It's the perfect companion for keeping your artwork clean on the go. Infused with the natural goodness of aloe vera, this cleanser provides a soothing and moisturizing experience. It helps to calm and hydrate your skin without any harsh chemicals. Our formula offers antibacterial properties to help protect your healing tattoo. This ensures a clean environment for optimal recovery and vibrant color retention. Formulated to be safe for all skin types, you can trust this product for your sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free and unscented, making it a gentle choice for everyone. This convenient 1.7-ounce travel size makes it easy to take your tattoo aftercare with you anywhere. Maintain your tattoo's integrity and beauty, no matter where your adventures take you. What we like? Specifically formulated for tattoo aftercare, this cleanser is gentle and moisturizing. If you've just gotten a tattoo and need a safe, unscented product to aid healing, this is ideal. Its travel size and moisturizing properties make it perfect for maintaining your new ink on the go. What people say. The soap has a great lather and a pleasant scent. It leaves skin feeling soft and moisturized. The packaging is eco-friendly and recyclable. Number 2. Ultra Fresh 6X Platinum 5-gallon Laundry Detergent. Discover the power of Ultra Fresh 6X Platinum, This concentrated liquid laundry detergent offers deep cleaning for your washing machine. Experience its exceptional deep cleaning capabilities. It effectively tackles tough stains and leaves your clothes fresh and revitalized. Our concentrated formula means a little goes a long way. You get more washes from a single 5-gallon container. Enjoy the classic original blue scent. It provides a familiar and pleasant aroma to your freshly cleaned laundry. This generous 5-gallon size is perfect for families or those who do a lot of laundry. It ensures you're always stocked up. Despite its powerful cleaning action, it's designed to be gentle on fabrics. Your clothes will look and feel their best. What we like. This laundry detergent boasts powerful deep cleaning capabilities, tackling tough stains effectively. If you're looking for a concentrated formula that offers great value and cleaning power for your washing machine, this is the one. Its large volume is perfect for families or anyone who does a lot of laundry and needs a reliable, powerful detergent. What people say. This detergent washed much of the body oils and strong smells out of used bed sheets and pillowcases, equal to how clean my normal detergent worked. This detergent cleaned admirably for a white's load without bleach. Socks smelled fresh, most everyday stains came out. One cycle through the wash removed stains I originally anticipated had ruined shirts. Red ink marks everywhere and surely set in by drying. Rewash the shirts with an extra squirt of this detergent and completely removed. Number 1. Harry's Bar Soap for Men, Stone Scent. Introducing Harry's Bar Soap for Men. Its invigorating stone scent is designed to awaken your senses and provide a truly refreshing cleanse. This 4-ounce body soap bar is specifically formulated for men's skin. It effectively cleanses without stripping away natural moisture. Enjoy a clean and fresh feeling that lasts throughout the day. The stone scent leaves a subtle, masculine aroma. Get more of what you love with this convenient 2-pack. It ensures you always have your favorite body soap on hand. Make your daily shower a more enjoyable experience. This soap bar is perfect for everyday use, leaving you feeling revitalized. What we like. Designed specifically for men, this bar soap offers an invigorating clean with a unique stone scent. If you're a man looking for a body soap that provides a refreshing and masculine fragrance, this is a great choice. It's perfect for daily use to feel clean and smell great. What people say. The soap has a refreshing scent that leaves the skin feeling clean and invigorated. It lathers well and rinses off easily, leaving no residue behind. The packaging is attractive and eco-friendly, which is a nice touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.